guys, welcome back to another video. I go by the name of Andy Lembanza, and thank you so much for clicking onto this video, because today I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful hairstyle. It looks really complicated, but trust me, it's simple. Stay tuned, I'll show you how to do it. By the way, thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. It's insane. I'm really grateful, guys. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, please do me the honor of subscribing down below. Press the post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video, and like the video at any point in time. Let me not ramble. I'll see you on the next clip. Bye.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.